Hi, I'm Frances Katzen and welcome to this penthouse at the world-renowned 130 William Street, an architectural wonder in the heart of FiDi. And it's filled with color, comfort, and crazy views. It has a distinct style that continues throughout, but it's the light that draws you in. The simplest things are always the hardest to do well, but in this kitchen, I think they nailed it. Italian finishes that are set apart with thick stone and marble, beautiful chevron, cabinetry, all custom, making this a work of art for the rest of the space. As you arrive into this living dining room, you are struck by some of the most dramatic views you could imagine, spanning north, east, and beyond. This chic room offers 2 seating areas plus dining room, and it still looks huge. And it's a great place to take in these views. But if you want to get a closer look, come and follow me. One of the things that sets this penthouse apart is the fact that you have the most beautiful loggia with bronze detail and some of the best views I have ever seen. Just imagine sitting here having a cocktail, taking in these western views. This loggia connects to all the main rooms, including the primary suite. Let's go take a look. What sets this corner primary bedroom apart for me are these amazing windows. Just imagine taking in these views from your bedroom. There are 2 closets in this primary bedroom. One for the person who doesn't need to shop that much, and then there's the one for the clothes horse in all of us, plus the makeup table, not to mention nice little seating areas. This bedroom has it covered. And now you have to check this out. Welcome to the final frontier of bathrooms. When you thought there was too much marble, think again, because this is spa level living at another level. Take in the view. Radiant heat marble flooring, dual marble sinks, rainhead shower with some of the most incredible lighting setup, and then the marble bathtub that is the bathtub of all bathtubs. You could have 2 people in this tub, or you could have a party in here. Thank you so much for joining me today, high above it all in New York City from Penthouse 63A. I'll see you soon. No, you go, I'm the listing agent.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.